So little tip here, and you experienced guys probably already know about this, but watch out for that. When you are taking out the bolts that hold a starter clutch to the back of the flywheel, usually there's going to be some thread lock, could be high strength, maybe you need to heat it to release it. The manual will tell you this. Or like these, this is a Yamaha flywheel off a TTR 230. They're staked. So these bolts have been installed, torqued, took a punch, nailed it to squish it out a little bit, and then the threads don't want to turn. So before you loosen these, you want to remove a little bit of that material, because if you don't, you know, it could damage the threads on the way out, you know, and then you've ruined your flywheel. So we're having difficulty finding our power tools around here, so I got my grandpappy's 100-year-old drill here. So hey, whatever works, right? We'll see if it'll work. And a fine pair of safety glasses, protect your eyes from the metal shavings. Use these in other videos if you're a fan. Now you're going to get your drill. You'll see where it's punched, and go ahead and turn it. All right, now we will attempt to remove this bolt. That should remove just, you don't have to remove a ton of material. They're all different. If the bolt feels like it doesn't want to turn, you know, go back and do a little more. All right, it came right out. And then you can check to see if it went well. You know, the bolt should want to thread back in without too much resistance. If you want to be ultra thorough, put a new bolt in, and then you got fresh material to restake it when you go back together. So torque spec, stake it, good to go.